I want to teach you about how to use Immersive Reader in Canvas. Immersive Reader only works on pages. And just as a reminder, the 4 building blocks in Canvas are pages, you can see designated by this icon, assignments here, discussions, and quizzes. So we're going to open up a page and demonstrate Immersive Reader. So here I've named a page. Now I'm going to build it. So you can see that I don't have any text in there. Immersive Reader only works on text that you type or copy and paste in. So I'm just going to go to a Word document. We'll capture some text. And we'll just paste it in here. And then I'm going to save. So once I save, you can see this Immersive Reader button comes up. So I click into that, and it shows up like this. I have lots of control. It's taking me through the tour here. I have lots of controls here. I can change the speed, female or male voice. I can come up here, and I have text size, increase the spacing, font, themes, in other words, different colored backgrounds. And then I can click over here. I have more selections. So these are parts of speech that I can highlight just by toggling on and off. I can separate the words into syllables. And then the last function in here is a picture dictionary. So that's on. We're not getting pictures. There's a picture. So the picture dictionary. And then this is awesome. You can translate this instantly into another language. Not sure of the accuracy rate, but it is a tool that's built in. If we did Spanish Mexico, we can do it by word or document. So if I click that word, it gives me the Spanish here. Or I can do the entire document, and it gives me the Spanish translation. We'll turn that off. But the main reason to use this, I think, well, not the main, but the primary reason is to click this on
page unless requested by your instructor. Instead, start with the information shown at the top of this page. Do not bold the title or use all capital letters.
Okay, so you can see it will read along for the student to follow along.